Adding reliability, efficiency, and cleanliness to your classic Porsche can be as simple as upgrading the battery. Lead-acid batteries, yes, even the OEM Porsche ones, are heavy and often leak acid into the front of the car, which is not what you want, especially if you just restored it. The MFI 911s using these stock batteries can experience slow startup, surge or hesitation at cruising speed, and an unbalanced fuel mixture, which is precisely what the owner of this gorgeous 911S was experiencing. Odyssey batteries are the way to go. For years, we've installed Odyssey batteries on all of our projects at Patrick Motorsports. The advantages are crystal clear. There are no more leaks. Odyssey batteries are AGM, which is Absorbent Glass Mat dry cell type. They have no liquid acid inside. If you cracked one open, nothing would leak out. This protects your restored Porsche from future acid leaks and subsequent rust. They're lightweight. Odyssey batteries are considerably lighter than the OEM Porsche lead-acid style batteries. You get a faster, more reliable startup. Cold starts are a breeze with Odyssey batteries, as they operate at a higher power level. Increased ignition output. This is the #1 reason to upgrade. The MFI Porsches especially take full advantage of the higher ignition output, resulting in better combustion, smoother and more reliable performance, and lower emissions. We recommend getting the car retuned after installing the new batteries to get the most out of the Odyssey upgrade. Patrick Motorsports offers an exclusive battery upgrade kit for your 911 or 914. This ensures that the much newer Odyssey batteries fit like a factory part. To schedule an appointment, call Patrick Motorsports at 602-244-0911 or email sales@patrickmotorsports.com.